What's up, guys? Axis and Alloys back here with the continuation of my YouTube War of the Attic Nerd. This is the beginning of the second round. We are going with Germany as they start off first. We have 57 IPCs to spend over here, so we're going to be looking at this units with no money left to spare. The units are 7 infantry, 2 artillery, a Mac, a sub, 3 tanks. Right there. Alright, we're going to move right in to any and all combat moves. So we're going to start off with our first combat move, which will be bringing the cruiser in 114 to 115. This with the naval base, 1, 2, 3. And then, can he want to? No. Alright. So this is our first battle here. Up top. Next, up around, we're going to move 3 infantry from Baltic states, 3 infantry from Poland into Baltic states, 11 infantry from Poland into Baltic states, 4 tanks from Germany into Baltic states, a tank from Poland into Baltic states, 3 artillery from Poland into Baltic states. Then we are going to send our tactical bomber from Poland, 1, 2, into Sea Zone 115. Alright. Those will be saved for the non-combat round phase. Those will be saved, okay. Then we're going to bring the bombers from Western Germany, 1, 2, 3, to assist. The infantry, the 5, 6 infantry in in Finland are going to Karelia. Then these can go 1, 2, 3. They will not. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Alright, perfect. All of these combat moves have concluded. So we're going to just do the ones we can put roundels on first. Baltic States gets a German roundel. Baltic States, as we all know, is worth 1. So we'll move Germany up 1 there too. So now we are looking at 41. Move them up again because of Karelia. Alright. There we go there. Now let's do the really only battle. We have a cruiser and a submarine in 115 against 2 bombers, a sub, cruiser, and tactical bomber. Alright, we have the battle set up over here, the sea battle, and then we're also moving 1 infantry into eastern Poland. Around along that. 1 infantry into eastern Poland as well. So move us up 1, Soviets down 1. Alright, so now we have the battle right here. Let's see, I'll try to position this. Alright, let's get the dice. Starting with the surprise strike, the German surprise strike. Is a miss. The Soviet surprise strike. Soviet surprise strike is a hit. Which means we will take off the German sub. Alright. Now moving on to regular combat. We have the tactical bomber and the cruiser. Both hit. So the cruiser will hit the sub, the tactical bomber will hit the cruiser. That is how it needs to work in order for the sub to get hit. Sub is already rolled. Let's roll for the cruiser now. The cruiser gets a miss. So these will go into the pile. and we will have the cruiser go up here. And then we will take the 2 bombers and the tactical, both of which will land in Poland. Oh, got to put a German roundel on Finland when we took that last turn. Alright, now on to the non-combat movement phase, as we already did a little bit of that. We're going to start off by moving the German fighter in southern Italy. 1, 2, 3, 4 into Alexandria. We're going to move the German tanks in Normandy, Bordeaux. 1, 2 into Western Germany. We are going to move all these fighters into Poland. Fighters and tactical bombers. They are all, every one of them, going to Poland. Next up, the submarine in 110. He will be headed. He can travel 3 because of the naval base in Normandy, Bordeaux. So the submarine will go 1, 2 to 113. The transport is going to 115 for protection. The tanks, 4 tanks in France are going to Germany. The artillery in France, 2 is going to Holland, 2 is going to Holland, Belgium, like that. And then we're going to have 1 artillery, if I can ever find one. Come on, I know they're in here. 1 artillery, go to Western Germany. Alright, now we're going to have Yugoslavia. Yugoslavia will move into Slovakia, Hungary. Wait, change that. Yugoslavia will be moving into Romania, as well as all the Slovakia, Hungary troops. There we go. And that concludes the non-combat. So now is the recap and the collect income phase, in addition to the placement phase. The placement phase, 3 infantry to Normandy, Bordeaux. 1 sub to Western Germany. 3 tanks to Germany. 3 infantry to Western Germany. An infantry and mech to Germany. 2 artillery to Germany. Alrighty then. Time for the collect income phase. We have 43 on the IPC tracker. So we'll get our 43 to 3 plus 5 from the Norway, Sweden, Denmark, the iron ore. 1. So that'll leave us with 48. 2, 3. There. Now onto the recap. 3 infantry in Normandy, Bordeaux. 2 artillery in Holland, Belgium. 1 infantry in Norway. 2 infantry in Denmark. 3 infantry, 2 tanks, 1 artillery, 3 anti-aircraft, plus facilities in Western Germany. 2 submarines in 113. major complex, 3 anti-air, 1 infantry, 2 artillery, 7 tanks, and a mechanized infantry in Germany. We have 3 fighters, 4 tactical bombers, 2 strategic bombers in Poland, 1 infantry in eastern Poland, 4, 5, 6, 7 infantry in Romania, 2 artillery, 2 tanks. Then in Baltic states, we are left with 11, 12, 13, 14 infantry, 3 artillery, 5 tanks. Then we have 4, 5, 6 infantry in Karelia, plus the German fighter in Alexandria. Can't forget about that. All right, thank you very much for watching. This is Axis and Alloys, signing off.